All right, so we're on day 2 laser install, which is technically day 1. And day 1 video was just an overview, but I thought on this one I would show you their power setup. They have about 100 amps coming into this facility, and this is a 40 amp rotary phase converter, and you can hear it running now. So they come out of that, generating the third phase into a disconnect and around the wall in this conduit right here. And the laser machine, this is one thing we haven't hooked up yet, our dust collection for the downdraft. The laser machine comes with this transformer that steps the voltage up from 240 volts to 380 volts, which is what the machine needs. All right, so we just booted the machine up for the first time, and we got a water alarm. As soon as you power up the machine and the chiller comes on, all these cooling lines, it fills them up and fills the power source back there up as well. And of course, you immediately go low on water and have to top it off like doing a new radiator in a car. Keep topping it off until you get it. But we're all booted up here now, and we should get this alarm to clear up here in a second and get it moving around. So this is a pretty cool feature on the Ori brand of machines. The Primas, you got like 4 bolts in here that have to bolt up, and they don't really fit very well. They're kind of a pain. But these are nice because they Velcro there. So if you need to check something, or check your bearings, make sure you're getting oil lubricated everywhere. Rack and pinion is looking good. Quick and easy to check. All right, so we got this issue. We're getting ready to make our first cuts, and so if you normally if you hit the follow button, it'll go all the way to the material and stop. But you see, we've got an issue there where it's not making it all the way down. And we're getting a little ways down. You see it lower in there, and it gets about there and stops. You see back in there, we got a red light on and an alarm on the screen. And what it turned out to be was, if you notice, there's multiple sets of mounting holes for the laser head, and we got to lower it down in these lower sets to bring the overall head lower on the back plane. But so for right now, since we can't test cut anything, we want to see if we can cut something out on this material right here. So see if we can cut a hole in that square tubing.